Good morning, students. The last class we already learned about the arrangements of leaves. Today we are going to study about the function of a leaf. You already know that what is the function of a leaf. We know that function of a leaf is to manufacture food. Can you say what is that process? Yes, of course you know the answer, that is photosynthesis. That plant's leaf is to manufacture food for the plant through the process of photosynthesis. Here the photosynthesis picture. Here we know that plants absorb the sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and prepare the food and also release oxygen. That is about photosynthesis. We know that plants are in green color. Why that plants are in green color? That is due to the presence of a coloring pigment that is called chlorophyll. Here the green plants contain chlorophyll which is necessary to make food in the presence of sunlight and water. These plants take in carbon dioxide and produce glucose with the release of oxygen in the air. Here photosynthesis, that means plants absorb sunlight, carbon dioxide and water to produce the food and also release the oxygen. This is about photosynthesis. Then here you can see one diagrammatic representation showing photosynthesis. Here carbon dioxide, water, in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, plants make glucose as food and oxygen, release oxygen. This is about photosynthesis reaction. This is the diagrammatic representation of photosynthesis. We know that night time there is no sunlight. What will happen during the night time? During the night time there is no sunlight. The plants take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. The exchange of gases takes place through minute opening known as stomata present on the surface of the leaves. Here you can see the picture of stomata. This is the picture of stomata. Then the water that is taken by the plants is released into the atmosphere by the process of transpiration. This helps in pulling water from the roots to the topmost part of the plant. The water that is taken by the plants is released into the atmosphere by the process of transpiration. This transpiration helps in pulling water from roots to the topmost part of the plant. Here that is showing the picture, that is transpiration. Let's move to the functions of the leaf, that is about food preparation.
Food preparation. Objective: to understand how leaves prepare food. Plants prepare their own food through the process of photosynthesis. The leaf is an important part of a plant, as photosynthesis takes place inside the leaf, and it is here that the maximum food production occurs. Now let's understand what photosynthesis is. The leaves of a plant take in carbon dioxide molecules from the air and water molecules from the soil. The leaves contain a green pigment called chlorophyll, which gives them the green color. When sunlight falls on the leaves, the chlorophyll present in them traps the sunlight. This trapped sunlight provides energy for the reaction to occur between the carbon dioxide and water molecules taken in by the leaves, which results in the formation of glucose and oxygen. This process is known as photosynthesis. The glucose produced during photosynthesis acts as food for the plant. Most of the glucose molecules produced join together to form starch and are stored inside the leaves. The oxygen produced by the leaves is released into the atmosphere.